Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. So if you're tired of the clipless body system on Arrma vehicles either popping off when you don't want it to or having trouble getting it off, then you want to watch this video. The first part is going to be me showing you a very simple fix on how to adjust that. And the second part will be going out in the field and testing it out to see if it pops off. Check it out. For the longest time, I've been saying that these trucks vary based on how they were manufactured. For example, for one body I had on this, it was constantly staying on, but very difficult to pry the thing off when I did this. So that was a good warning sign to check the temperature on my car too.
Maybe back off.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Alternatively, the body will pop off easily on hard landings, and that's what this one has been doing. Man. But thanks to one of my subscribers, shout out to Bog Dan, he mentioned that he believed that there's a screw that was able to loosen or tighten the tension on the springs in this clipless mount. This adjustment point is also in the back. It's also, for example, on my Notorious here. So you can adjust several of these newer generation cars with this. If I really loosened these up good on both sides, I would see that the button is very easy to depress and these things open very quickly. Alternatively, you can tighten them way down all the way to the point that they stop, showing that there is an adjustment here. It doesn't just spin freely like some bolts. This actually tightens all the way down. It's so hard I can barely push it. So that is a clue. I set mine sort of in the middle, but I definitely had to tighten this one down more than it was before. Now I'll show you some footage of me launching this thing off some ramps, and we'll see if it pops off. And if it doesn't, I would suggest you all go out and try it yourself. Because we're over here at Luke's house, and he's got a ramp in the backyard. Actually, I have Kagama tires on this right here. Yeah, it looks pretty. Too pretty to jump. Version 2 EXB right there.
I like it. What do you got for servo on it, stock?
This one, no, I have a Savox servo in it. Oh.
That's what I put it in. I don't know what it is.
Nice. That kicks ya.
Try it out.
Harold takes my head off first run.
You will make a double no problem.
I know.
That's stock system in there?
Yeah, dude, this Spectrum system's fast. It's a new one. Kind of hard with this angle. Oh, I got some nice shock towers on there at AW Machining in your house.
Perfect.
In the house. Can we move the angle of the ramp this way?
Yeah, move wherever you want.
Ah. It's hard without the run up. There we go. Big air. There we go. Uh-oh, getting confident. Stall. I pulled it off. I pulled it off. All right, go for it. In the trees. Uh-oh. Something broke. Dang. Same thing. So even though it broke, body didn't pop off as much. So that may be a trick, guys. Tightening these up so that if you're having that body pop off issue with these, see if that helps. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good one. See you in the next one. Over the head. Jeez. Something sounded. Oh, diff.
She did.
Why we should stop when I said the last.
I know. He egged you on with this. Oh. Divot. Nice. What? Nice. Nice. Straight to the sky.
Every single jump.
That's annoying. Let's see it from over here. Oh,
That wasn't going well.
there goes the wing. It cut power in the air, huh? Oh, this thing's taking some abuse.
I'm telling you, this is why I love them. It'll just keep going.
Flapping.
I'm gonna leave him in the body. I can't.